It's been a while since I've started using this IPL device and just want to give a quick update about this now kasi I don't use this as frequent as I do before. Siguro ngayon mga once or two times a week, 2 times a month na lang siguro sa underarm ko. And as you can see, almost wala na talaga akong buhok sa kilikili. And if meron man bagong tubo, super fine na lang talaga ng balahibo niya na I really have to wait for it to grow long enough para ma-shave siya ulit so I can laser it again. Ganun lang yung routine ko with this. Pero yung hair ko down there, still it keeps on growing. Too bad I can show it to you here, guys. Baka ma-violet tayo. But I'm gonna describe it now na lang. So far, for the bikini area, super active pa rin ang hair growth ko. Pero contacts, guys, sobrang kapal. Di naman kasi niya dati. Pero ngayon, super lambot na tubo niya at ang daling bunutan. Plus, may mga patches na rin na medyo kalbo na siya at hindi na tinutubuan. Medyo matigas lang talaga yung ulo ng hair follicles ko on that area. Pero malaki talaga yung nabawas I mean, sa kapal niya, sa thickness niya. Honestly, zero regrets talaga ako na nag-invest ako with this IPL device. Kasi kung iisipin niyo, this is actually the healthiest way to remove hair compared with shaving, waxing, or plucking. Kasi nga, di ba, kung nag-shave ka everyday, nagkakaroon ka ng microcuts, tapos minsan pa parang chicken skin yung kilikili mo because of the friction, and that eventually leads to pangingitim ng kilikili. And kung nag-wax ka naman, pinipilit mong bunutin yung hair root mo, kaya nadadamage yung skin barrier mo, which is prone to ingrown hairs naman and infection. But with this IPL device, no, ang target lang talaga niya is yung melanin sa hair follicle under the skin para patigilin yung hair growth natin in that area. So, safe siya sa surface ng skin natin. And with continuous use, actually, it gives our skin time to heal at maging smooth ulit. Kaya napapansin natin na pumuputi siya, kumikinis yung underarms natin. Because those are results talaga kapag hindi tayo frequent nag-shave, nagpa-pluck, or nag-wax ng skin natin. So, if you're interested and wanna get this one, I've got the link down below. Check it out.